Welcome all of you. This is a text processor software. Today I will demonstrate the extract text and extract metadata from the text file. So I have already an input file with me. Simply load it using drag and drop. Choose option extract text. You can extract top lines. You can count how many lines. You can extract the exact line number. You can also extract the math content. So in this case I am going to extract line number 5. Choose output directory. The output directory is empty. Simply start the process. You can see output directory. The line number file will extracted. Line number file is extracted. Let's move to the another example of extract metadata. In extract metadata, you can extract various email IDs, web URL, IP address 4, 6, phone numbers, only numbers, date, time, timestamp. So I am going to extract in this scenario phone numbers and numbers or date from the text file. Simply start the process. Check the result. The numbers and phone numbers and times and date will accepted now. You can see here. Hope this video helpful for you. Thanks for watching.